I'm working on a 2016 Buick Lacrosse. I'll be replacing the starter motor, which is right here. The vehicle isn't starting. So the first thing I'm going to do is get to the battery. Disconnect the negative cable. Okay, I have to remove the negative battery cable. I'm going to remove the connector for the knock sensor. Get that out the way. Then there's the heat shield that takes this bolt here. Remove that. Okay, here's the starter with the heat shield removed. I've jacked and supported the vehicle. Now I'm going to go underneath and disconnect the ignition and battery cable. And then I'm going to take off the two nuts, the bolts. Two bolts that hold the starter on. Okay, I got the starter removed. This is the connector for the knock sensor here. Right here. The other one must have been a cooling sensor. I had to remove. And with the ignition wire, you pull this part out and then you have to push this part down. Slide this out of the socket for the ignition. And you just wiggle it around. Where'd it go? Okay, I disconnect this cable here from here. It goes here to give it a little more room, and you just wiggle it out of this small hole you create at the bottom of the vehicle. Here's the new starter compared to the old, and just slide into the hole. And I'm going to connect the ignition connector first. Get this in position and then tighten down the positive battery cable. Then put the mounting bolts in and tighten it down. Okay, this is underneath the vehicle. This is the starter motor right here. And it's just a reversal of the removal procedure. This is it from the top. Right here. I'll put the shield on. The shield's in there, the bolt holding it fastened in there. Connect this sensor here. And then connect the negative battery cable.